In the previous lesson, we covered simple present as one of the ways to talk about the present. Now, let's look into present progressive tense. In a nutshell, present progressive is the tense we use to talk about a progressive, ongoing action which is happening at this very moment. For example, keep your voice down. Jack is sleeping. By saying, Jack is sleeping, I mean that he is sleeping at this very moment, not his routine. It would be a mistake to say, keep your voice down. Jack sleeps. Because Jack sleeps is in the simple present. And simple present doesn't describe actions going on at this very moment. It describes routines. In this context, we imply that the action is ongoing, happening right now. That's why we need to use present progressive. Jack is sleeping. What does the sentence in present progressive look like? Subject plus verb be in the correct form plus verb with ing ending. The correct forms of the verb be in present time are am for I, are for plural nouns, you, we, they, and is for singular nouns, he, she, it. So, our sentence structure is subject plus verb be plus verb with ing ending. Bart is sleeping on my bed. Bart is the subject. Is the verb be in the correct form for the dog, which is a singular noun. And the verb sleep with ing ending. This sentence shows that this action, Bart is sleeping, is happening at this very moment. The verb be in present progressive is the auxiliary verb. In questions, we put be before the subject. Bart is sleeping on my bed becomes is Bart sleeping on my bed? The same rule applies to more complex questions, such as where is Bart sleeping? Is goes before the subject. Why is Bart sleeping on my bed? Whose bed is Bart sleeping on? To make a negative sentence, we use be plus not. I am not. You are not. Or its contracted form, you aren't. He is not. Or its contraction, he isn't. She is not. Or she isn't. It is not. Or it isn't. We are not, or we aren't. They are not, or they aren't. Bart isn't sleeping on the floor. I am not driving a car. That's it for now. Stay tuned.